Welcome back to Elevance Consultancy. Today, we will be talking about how to make the most of your study abroad experience. So, if you are ready, let's get started. Pre-departure preparation. First things first, preparation is key. So, let's start with the steps you should take before you even leave home. Research your destination. You have probably already chosen your study abroad location, but now it's time to dive deep into researching it. Understand the local culture, customs, and history. This will help you appreciate your surroundings and connect with the local community. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can help you in everyday situations. Financial planning. Make a budget and stick to it. Study abroad can be expensive, but proper financial planning can ensure you have enough to explore and enjoy your time abroad without constantly worrying about money. Immersion and exploration. Once you have arrived in your destination, it's time to fully immerse yourself in the experience. Embrace cultural differences. Do not shy away from cultural differences. Embrace them, try local foods, participate in festivals, and engage in cultural activities. This is your chance to broaden your horizons. Make local friends. One of the most rewarding aspects of studying abroad is making friends from different parts of the world. Engage with locals and other international students. It will enrich your experience and broaden your perspectives. Explore beyond your campus. Don't limit yourself to your university campus. Explore the city or country you're in. Visit historical sites, museums, and natural wonders. Traveling is one of the best ways to learn. Academics and growth. While studying abroad is about experiencing new cultures, do not forget about the academic aspect. Stay organized. Maintain a study schedule and stay organized. Balance your academic responsibilities with your exploration and social activities. Seek academic support. If you are struggling academically, don't hesitate to seek help. Most universities have support services for international students. Don't let your grades suffer due to pride. Document your journey. Keep a journal, blog, or blog to document your experiences. It's a great way to reflect on your growth and share your adventures with friends and family. Safety and well-being. Lastly, let's talk about staying safe and maintaining your well-being. Be aware of local laws. Familiarize yourself with local laws and customs. What's acceptable at home may not be in your host country. Respect the local rules. Stay connected. Stay in touch with your loved ones back home. Regular communication can help combat homesickness and provide a safety net in case of emergencies. Health and self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Register with local healthcare providers if necessary, and seek help if you're struggling emotionally. Conclusion. So there you have it, some valuable tips on how to make the most of your study abroad experience. Remember, it's not just about the academics, it's about personal growth, cultural immersion, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow students who are planning their study abroad journey. Also, leave your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video. Safe travels and enjoy your study abroad adventure.